Yes, by completing the solution to this problem now. So we've already produced our resultant. Our resultant is this as R. Now, don't forget that under the bearing and with respect to the cardinal point, you know that this is the first cardinal point, the second cardinal point, the third cardinal point, and the fourth cardinal point. Now, looking at tan, we make reference to it with tan now, tangent. Now, which of the cardinal points that occupies negative conventional sign for tan? And let me give you the patterns of these particular trigonometric functions with respect to their cardinal point. Now, let me draw this for you. We have first quadrant, second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant, right? So for each of the column, we have the sine, cos, and the tan. So for the first quadrant now, sine is positive, second positive, third and fourth, they are negative. Then for the first quadrant under cos, positive, that's negative, negative, and positive here. So that is for the fourth quadrant for the cos. Now for the tan, now let's look at the tan. For the tan, first quadrant is positive, positive, second quadrant is negative, third is positive, and the fourth is negative. Now can you see now? So the reason why the direction of the resultant falls on the negative side, and then that negative side denotes the fourth quadrant. You can see that fourth quadrant and the second lies on what? On the it really denotes the negative conventional sign there. But if you look at our F2, we do have this our F1, right? This is our F2. Our F2 here, you know that the value of the first here is smaller than this. You can see that we have one here. If you don't forget, we have one here and we have two here. So the resultant will lies on where we have the greater flux. It will lies where we have the greater flux there. So that is why the position of the resultant lies on the fourth quadrant along X. So because on that fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Tan is negative. Can you see now? Tan is negative, and it will lies on a side with the greater force magnitude. That is where the resultant force will lie, not on the second, on the fourth quadrant, with the hex component. So that is it. So that is why the direction is like that, because tan is negative on the fourth quadrant, and the fourth quadrant is where we have the resultant